Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to teach you how to fold this boomerang plane. So you need a square sheet of paper like this. First you fold the paper in half like this, align the edge, and going to fold the edge here to this center crease like this, making this fold, and we do the same thing on this side as well. Make sure that both of them are symmetrical, and now we're going to fold this corner to this point here. So hold the layer tightly and fold it, so make sure everything is precise, not offset like this. And we're going to divide this in half, this part. Make sure you hold the layers like this, crease it sharp and unfold. Now we're going to fold this crease like this, and we put this inside this pocket like this. So make sure everything's flat. Now we're going to fold everything in half this way using this existing crease. Now we're going to fold this down, the wings, align the edge here, turn the paper over, do the same thing. Like this, and we're going to fold this up like this. Same thing on this side. Like this, and we almost complete. So we need to add 2 more folds at this side. So after you've done that, you just flip these wings like this and make sure everything is correct. So now you have complete the boomerang plane. So you need to hold your plane this way, and you can throw it forward and slightly tilt up like this. So we're gonna throw it, and it's flying back. You can double tap like this.